Hi, welcome to the video. So in this video I will show you how to use Zotero. Zotero is a referencing manager. It sort out some stuff for you when you do referencing. It makes your life really easy. So let's get to it. Basic things. First you need to install Zotero and sign in with this button. You have to create an account from Zotero website. I will give you the link in the description. So when you install Zotero, first thing you need to find the styles that your institution prefer. If it's not here, you can get it from here. You can search it, and when you click, it will automatically be here. And another thing, take this one, it will save your time. So let's get to it. So this is a paper. Let's say I want to reference this sentence. So let's say this is the thing, this is the paper I took the line from or paraphrase it from. So what I can do, forgot one thing, you have to also install the Zotero connector. You can install the Zotero connector from Zotero website. This is the connector, and you can also get it from Chrome extension, or if you are using Firefox, same thing, Firefox add-ons, Edge, Opera all use Chrome extension, so you should be okay. So let's get to it. What you can do, there are two ways to do it. What you can do is click this one, and all the papers here is listed here. So I want the first one, I click OK. Zotero already got the information, and I can check it manually. Let's just give me a second. Okay, it's recording. I can check it manually whether everything is okay or not. Similarly, instead of doing this, you can manually create this one by clicking this button. It's a journal, so I'll choose journal and write everything here, fill out the information. I normally don't do it. Well, the whole point of using this one is make everything easy and automated. So I'm just going to delete it, and this is the thing. So when you first go to the Word, you go to Zotero and go to document preference. You choose the citation style. I choose this one, Harvard Anglia Ruskin, sorry. So click OK. It's doing something. It's just updating my, I don't know why this, okay. It's just updated my style in the Word setting. So I want to add that, add reference for this line. Click this one and this one and click OK. Okay, it's automatically done. See. So let's say I want to add page number. Let's say it is a quote, although it's not. Just pretend it's a quote. So for quote, you need to add page number. So this is just here. You can just write page 2, click OK. It will add the page number. There are a couple of things, such as you can also, instead of page number, you can add a lot of things from here: chapter, column, figure, issue, line, notes, anything you want. So this is not a page number, so I'll just leave it to it. And when you do everything, like add all the reference, you need to insert a bibliography. So this one is already done, so what I'll do, I'll just delete this. Okay. So what you do is add bibliography, and if you do, see, it already took everything from this document. This document is created by Zotero referencing, so it knows all the information here, and it insert all the references. So this is how you theoretically use Zotero. So that's it. Thank you for watching.